Welcome to this presentation on working as a team using Enterprise Architect and the Sparx modeling platform. You will learn about some of the tools and facilities available to modelers to collaborate, share, and work together as a team. Harness the power of the tool suite to keep your team close-knit, regardless of whether they are in the office, on the go, or working remotely. You can share models and ideas with customers and consultants, and a range of other disciplines from project managers to implementation engineers, testers, support analysts, and more. The Sparx platform is a suite of tools for all disciplines, including executives, strategists, line managers, architects, requirements and business analysts, scrum masters, testers, customers, consultants, and more. Stay focused with perspectives and use the tools tailored for your position or role, including powerful corporate dashboards with drill-down charts, and hundreds of discipline-specific tools supporting the full range of standards and modeling languages. Change your project role at the drop of a hat, by selecting a perspective, and watch Enterprise Architect set your focus on the chosen discipline by hiding other tool options. Choosing a perspective will increase your productivity as you concentrate on modeling for your selected role. Create tailored perspectives by including selected technologies relevant to your modeling intent, or create perspectives for teams and groups, ensuring the entire team stays focused. Instantly view real-time models in a browser, no matter where you are. View the models on a notebook, tablet, or smartphone, and create new requirements, use cases, issues, and more, adding notes and other details as required. Collaborate with colleagues, consultants, and customers by entering into discussions, chat, reviews, and viewing each other's model additions and changes as they are made. Collaborate with customers, colleagues, and consultants, and build systems in record time using the collaboration and team features. Enterprise Architect is built from the ground up as a collaboration platform for sharing ideas and working and modeling together. Collaborate with your team and stakeholders no matter where they are located, and chat, discuss, comment, review, and share strategies, architectures, solutions, and visualizations, all in real time. Manage requirements, user stories, use cases, and more, with agile kanban diagrams to increase speed to market, and customer value. As a product owner, triage and manage backlogs and effortlessly move items between lanes and boards. Your whole team can work productively by choosing items from the board and recording their progress on an item. You can use pre-configured boards using patterns, or define your project or personal boards and lanes, including colors, work in progress limits, and which properties to display. Use the Gantt chart view to visualize the elements in a project, package, or diagram and display their resource allocations. The tool empowers the traditional or agile project manager to track modeling resources. Use this productivity tool to visualize a team's utilization and ultimately deliver high-value and high-priority outcomes. Modelers working on a project can view their work and update their progress while working on assigned tasks. Keep track of who changed what and when by enabling auditing for the repository. Use the settings window to specify the auditing level and to adjust the amount of information you want to record. Also, define the elements you want to include in the audit. You can enable auditing at different times, such as when consultants or external parties are working on the repository or at particular phases of your project. Express meaning and create compelling diagrams using images from a user-defined or system image library. Import vector or raster-based images from various sources, and then include them in your diagrams to create appeal for stakeholders. Discover where images have been used in your diagrams by selecting the usage option, and update these images globally from the library window. Plan the future with dynamic roadmaps, and use them to guide your organization to positive and predictable business and technology outcomes. Generate roadmaps from predefined patterns, or add them as an overlay to any existing diagram of capabilities, applications, work packages, and more. You can see the applications and other elements on a timeline and segment their lifetime into discrete phases, showing you precisely, for example, when an application will change from mainstream production into retirement. Record focus group questions and answers in a mind map in physical or virtual workshops, allowing stakeholders to visualize their ideas and concerns in a business-friendly diagram. Follow up the focus group or workshop, analyze the results and connect the derived requirements, needs, and concerns to the statements recorded in the mind map. As the specification and solution evolve, trace from any design or implementation element, via the requirements, back to the original stakeholder statements, ensuring that what you implement will delight your stakeholders. Ensure you start and stay on track with reviews, getting feedback from customers, consultants, and colleagues. You can conduct the reviews in the desktop tool, or if your models are served by the Pro Cloud server, you can review them in a web browser using WebEA. Take your modeling to the next level and ensure you evaluate your models for quality, compliance, risk mitigation, consistency, and more. Know what's on and when with the fully featured in model calendar, and record the critical events in any initiative. Display other information such as tasks and resource allocation and choose between day, week, or month views. Set options to display calendar entries, project tasks, and resource allocation, and drill down from the calendar entries to the location of the referenced items in the browser window. Access resources in the team library and ensure that your whole team is singing from the same song sheet. View imported documents including specifications and guidelines, or link to external documents or web pages such as specifications and standards, contained in contact management systems, including SharePoint and Google Drive. Place the library items on diagrams, and link other elements to them, to indicate compliance or usage. Create project management items to assist in the optimization of an initiative. You can record decisions to keep track of the critical inflection points in a project, and input their status, impact, and effective date. Include metrics as valuable and structured information to evaluate the cost and schedule estimations. Define risks to assist in the overall management of possible outcomes and to ensure team members are aware of potential problems and impacts. Rest easy knowing that security is protecting your repository. Use security to drive many features such as package locking, perspectives, collaboration, workflow, ribbon sets, and more. Integrate with Active Directory and OpenID at a group or user level, and set permissions to control users or groups' access to tool features. Lock parts of the model to specific users and groups, and using some back-end databases completely hide some packages from view for specified users or groups. Stay tuned to your colleagues with Model Chat, designed to keep everyone close at hand and to share ideas instantly. Chat with any team member or an entire group using the desktop tool. You can continue to converse even when colleagues are on the go or out of the office, using WebEA, available on notebooks, smartphones or tablets. You can filter the messages by time interval and set notifications to be alerted when new posts arrive. Enjoy productivity gains by working as a closely knit team, and keep a record of what you talk about for future reference. Keep in touch with your team, consultants, and customers with Model Mail, an in-repository mail system that facilitates collaborative modeling and idea sharing. Add links to diagrams, matrices, elements, properties, documents, and more. Send mail to individuals or groups and enjoy the productivity gains achieved by opening up the referenced model items directly from mail links. Set colored priority flags when sending mail, and receive notifications when you have new mail.